Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are. Today is March 11, 2019, and this is a midday market update. Well, the market kind of bounced back, a little continuation from last Friday's close. So let's take a look at what the markets have been doing and see what we could glean from it for this afternoon. And let's start off looking at the couple different market before we look at the breadth. The crude oil is up 64 cents at 56.71, and gold is pulling back down 8.20 at 12.91 and 20 cents. Looking at the cash index, the Dow Jones Industrial actually came back and turned positive after the initial Boeing kind of dragged down the industrial. It is up 153 point at 25,604. The S&P 500 is up 1.3%, positive 37 point, close to 37 point at 2,779. And the Nasdaq 100 almost up 2%. It is up 139 point, and it is sitting at 71.54. And the Russell 2000 is up 1.6%, positive 24, nearly 25 point at 1,546. And the Nasdaq Composite is up 141 point at 7,549. And the transportation is also up 1.6%. It is up 165 point at 10,282.77. So the market is look like fairly strong today. And if we take a look at the up-down volume, the New York Stock Exchange up-down volume is sitting at 4.38. The Nasdaq is sitting at 4.25, and the Russell 2000, the Russell is sitting at 4.82. The advanced decline is the advancer is ahead of the decliner by a whopping 1786. So that is more than 2/3 of the traded issue in the New York Stock Exchange is a gainer. And the Nasdaq, it is also the advance is running ahead of the decliner by 1,611 issues. The cumulative tick is positive, and in both the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. And you can see both of the future, the ES and the NQ, is basically open drive, and it's just been trending up so far throughout the entire session. So the market is making a quite a run today. And let's go and switch over to take a look at the ES on the daily chart. You can see that the ES is pulled back last week from the this upper band here, and right now it's kind of bounced back a little bit. If you have not watched my weekend video, you might want to take a look at it. I am looking for some sort of a pullback and essentially sell on strength. So as it rally back up to some sort of pivot or resistance, then look for opportunity to go short on it, and basically for a short-term pullback, maybe just come down to somewhere around this 2677 area. You still have to close below this 2736.50. So that's basically what I'm looking at. Maybe come up here and then pull back. So, but hey, anything could happen, right? So you just play the probability game. Right, and if we take a look at the volume profile, you can see that the volume profile is also after one-time framing up today is kind of gap up, getting this one-time framing up, and essentially you're watching this 2800, see would it be able to get back up there. Because I'm basically looking for this to come back down. By the way, today is OpEx Monday, so watch out for the games that they're going to play in the afternoon. I think they're going to pull back somewhat because they wipe out a lot of put. Basically, I believe the 276 put got wiped out today, and right now they're running up to the call. So sucking a lot of people buying the call, chasing the call, and they're probably going to pull back and squeeze those out. But anyway, I mean that's one possibility. Not saying that's what they're going to do. But that's the game that I'm looking keeping an eye out. And also on the market profile, you can see the market profile came up, took out this IB high that was kind of naked, haven't been touched, and also came up and took out this point of control. There are a couple of unfinished business close by. Also, there are some single print, and we gotta watch out for that on the afternoon pullback. We might see some of these single print get filled. Then, depending, what it's gonna do, because if we take a look at something like this, then essentially I'm looking for some of these single print down here, and the point of control get tagged in the coming days. All right, so then let's go and take a look at the daily market profile here right now, and so is the low. But there are some single print, so we got some single print here, couple single print here. So kind of got the short kind of squeezing these short, and then they just kind of chase it because it is a trending day. So there are a lot of single print today. Look for some of these get filled, and here's the developing point of control here. All right, and also looking at the daily, this daily volume profile here. A little bit soft here. We might get a little bump up. It is bumping up against the developing value area high. So I'd be watching this somewhere around this 2772, 2770 area for a pullback into toward the close, and because right now the overnight high is down here, and it is chasing trading above the overnight high and above the IB range. So there is a negative point of control, the negative VPOC up here, somewhere around 2792, 25 area. So keep an eye on that level if we're going to chase it up. All right, so let's go and take a look at the SPY before we sign off for the day. Let's go back and take a look at the SPY here. So on the spider, we see that it is coming up. It broke the channel last week, so it is coming up. Maybe do a little back test, and there is a composite. Essentially, this area here, this swing. So I got a composite profile here on this swing up, and there is a composite point of control, the VPOC at 279.16. So might want to keep an eye on that, and that would basically at the back of this bottom channel trend line here. So that's one level to keep an eye on as it move up today, and see we'll get a rejection and push it back down. So the point of control based on this particular big move, from here, right, from here to the so that point of control is 272.95, I believe, somewhere around there. So keep an eye on those things. Those are the key level to watch, these composite point of control. And a couple of the point of control got taken out today on the individual daily profile. All right, so hopefully this is informative to you, and hope your day is going well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I could take the negative as well as the positive. And if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe, and be sure to click on that notification bell icon, so that way you get notified whenever I do a live video or upload a video on my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.